Indoor plants at Lowe's. Best picks and care tips. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hey, plant lovers, looking to bring a little greenery into your home? Well, you are in luck because we are diving into the best indoor plants you can find at Lowe's. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned plant parent, there, there is something here for everyone. So let's get started. Indoor plants are more than just decor. They purify the air, boost your mood, and even reduce stress. Plus, they bring life to any space. And the best part is Lowe's has an amazing selection for all skill levels. New to plant parenting? No worries. Here are my top picks for beginner-friendly plants at Lowe's. Petals. They are super easy to grow and tolerate low light. Snake plants, practically indestructible and thrive on neglect. ZZ plants handle low light and forgetful watering like a champ. These plants are perfect if you are just starting out or have a brown thumb but still want some greenery. Got a space with little sunlight? No problem. Here are some amazing low light plants you can grab at Lowe's. Peace lily adds elegance and even lets you know when it needs water. Cast iron plants are tough as its name. It thrives in low light areas. Parlor palm brings tropical vibes without needing too much light. These plants are great for office, bedroom, and shady corners of your home. Let me know in the comments if you have indoor plants already and the particular type of indoor plants you have and what you like or hate about them. Let me know in the comments below. Want fresher air in your home? These air purifying plants from Lowe's can help. Spider plants remove toxins and look amazing in a hanging pot. Aloe vera, not just great for skin but also filters air. Boston fern absorb pollutants and add humidity to the air. Having these plants around makes your home feel fresher and healthier. Before you grab your green friends, here are some quick tips when shopping at Lowe's. Check the leaves. Avoid plants with yellow or brown spots. Feel the soil. It shouldn't be bone dry or overly soggy. Read the tag. Lowe's provide care information right on the label. When shopping for indoor plants, it's essential to consider several factors to ensure you choose plants that will thrive in your home. Here is a breakdown of key considerations. Lighting conditions. Assess your home light. Determine the direction your window faces north, south, east, or west. Observe how much sunlight each area of your home receives throughout the day. Match plants to the light level. Some plants prefer bright, direct sunlight, while others thrive in low light. Ensure that the plants you choose are compatible with the available light in your home. Space and size. Consider available space. Think about the size of the room and where you plan to place the plant. Choose plants that will fit comfortably in the space and allow for growth. Plant growth. Remember that small plants will grow, so consider the mature size of the plant. Watering needs. Understand watering requirements. Different plants have varying watering needs. Some prefer consistently moist soil, while others prefer to dry out between watering. Choose plants that match your watering habits and lifestyle. Drainage. Ensure that the pots you use have proper drainage to prevent root rot. Humidity. Consider humidity levels. Some plants, especially tropical varieties, require high humidity. If your home has dry air, consider plants that tolerate low humidity or use a humidifier. Pet and child safety. Check for toxicity. Some plants are toxic to pets and children. If you have pets or young children, choose non-toxic plants and place toxic plants out of reach. Plant health. Inspect plant carefully. Look for signs of pests or diseases such as yellow leaves, spot, and insects. Choose healthy plants with vibrant foliage and strong stems. Root condition. If possible, check the root systems to ensure that the plant isn't root bound or has rotted roots. Your lifestyle. Consider your availability. If you are busy and often travel, choose low maintenance plants that can tolerate neglect. Be realistic about the amount of time you have to dedicate to plant care. By considering these factors, you can choose indoor plants that will thrive in your home and bring you joy for years to come. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, and also share the video. And don't forget to subscribe or follow me for more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.